Let's draw another 3D model. Build a 3D CAD model shown in figure. So this is the model. You can see this is model height is 56, and you can see the length is this is 28, and this side plus 50 plus 28. Okay, so there are two circular hole is there. Inside the this there is a groove is also there. So let's draw this model. Yeah, this is solid 4. Create document. Say we can say create sketch. So we have to select this right plane, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, so now here whatever I will do, I will do the rectangle from this to this, give the dimension. The dimension is 56 height, and from this the dimension is 28 plus 50. So you can give, this is the formula. Okay, in that also we can give the dimension 28 plus 56. It is 56, so delete 56. Next is circle. So we have to draw the circle. You can see up to this. Inside there is another circular hole is that is of 20 diameter. So I will give the dimension. The dimension is 20. Okay, so its dimension already you have given 56, so no need to give. Otherwise you will give 56 to this side and you will delete this. Next is delete this line. Delete. Next is trim this. Done. Now extrude this. So we are going to do the symmetric extrude. Select the sketch. So this is the sketch, and distance is 56. Then next is that we have to draw the sketch on this. So we have to do the make a model such that it should be completed in minimum time. Okay, so we are going to draw the circle. Okay, so another we will draw one rectangle slot so that we can take remove the material. Okay, so here give the dimension to this. From this to this, its diameter is the 28, and its distance from this is nothing but the 28, and distance between these two is nothing but the 6 mm, and distance of this to this is nothing but the 3 mm. Okay, so now show constraints. So we have to delete some of the constraints, so I will delete. Okay, now we will trim it. This is not required. Okay, we have to delete this. Okay, trim it. So we have to delete trim also, because whenever we are going to do the extrude, we should get the close. Okay, so now from this edge, this distance you can provide, or it is nothing but the 56 plus 28. Okay, done. Now extrude. Here select sketch, this sketch. We are going to remove the material. Select remove, and here we have to through all, so we have to select through all. Okay, now this is completed. Now what is the remaining? So if this side is remaining, so simply you can provide the fillet to fillet to this edge is of 28. Similarly fillet to this edge of 28. Okay, now you can see the object is completed. So we have to do the object with minimum time and minimum setup. Thank you.